How to fix suspicious login in Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to secure your account and remove unauthorized access when you receive a suspicious login alert. First, launch the Snapchat application on your Android device. Next, if you see a suspicious login notification, tap on it to view details. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access settings. Moving forward, scroll down until you find login verification or two-factor authentication. Afterwards, tap on login verification to enable extra security for your account. In addition to that, select your preferred verification method like SMS or authentication app. Once enabled, set up two-factor authentication by following the on-screen instructions. Subsequently, go back to Settings and look for Password option. Moreover, tap on Password to change your current Snapchat password. Afterwards, enter your old password followed by your new secure password. Then confirm the new password by typing it again in the verification field. Within this section, make sure your new password is strong with letters, numbers, and symbols. Alternatively, scroll down in Settings to find Logged In Devices or Active Sessions. Once you've found it, tap on Logged In Devices to see all active login sessions. Then, review the list and look for any unfamiliar devices or locations. Afterwards, tap on the suspicious device and select Log Out or Remove. Then, this will immediately disconnect that device from your Snapchat account. Moreover, consider enabling notifications for new login attempts in security settings. Afterwards, your Snapchat account is now secured and protected from suspicious logins. Then, you'll receive alerts if anyone tries to access your account from a new device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix suspicious login in Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat security tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.